Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Moen Kitchen Faucet. This model cost me $229 and there is nothing wrong with my current kitchen faucet, and the reason for installing a new one is because we just installed new bronze hardware for our cabinets, and that's the reason why I'm gonna be replacing this stainless faucet with a bronze one to match cabinet hardware. I'm starting with installing soap dispenser. When soap dispenser base is secured with a mounting nut, you can start installing bottle for the soap. Now I can start installing the faucet. As you can see, I have one hole, but I decided to go with a deck plate, which is designed for 3-hole applications. I think the faucet looks much better on this deck plate. Now I'm gonna start securing the faucet with a mounting bracket. I'm using 2 mounting brackets to hold this faucet in place. Fasten the mounting nut onto shank. This is the installation tool that comes with the faucet. Just insert the screwdriver in it and you can start tighten the mounting nut. It's really convenient tool to use if you have tight space under the kitchen sink. And now I'm gonna be installing a pull-down hose through front of spout. Thread the plastic hose guide onto the end of the shank. Install pull-down hose to outlet hose. Push in as far as possible until you hear a click. Install the hose weight just below this yellow mark. Attach water supply lines to shut-off valves. And turn on the water. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.